Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the Goggle's Eclipse Glasses Watch Safe Special Solar Goggle Safety Eyeglasses. These are not just your ordinary sunglasses, these are specially designed for safely observing a solar eclipse. With the green athermal welding glass lenses in a very dark shade, these goggles provide the ultimate protection for your eyes while you witness the spectacular event of a solar eclipse. The adjustable head strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without any distractions. Not only are these goggles perfect for observing a solar eclipse, but they also serve as a must-have item for welding. Protecting your eyes from dangerous sparks and light, these goggles are a valuable addition to any workshop or construction site. But the benefits don't stop there. The vintage steampunk style of these goggles also makes them perfect for cosplay and costume parties. You will find ways to make use of these goggles for the rest of your life, and without a doubt, you are going to have the coolest photos to post on social media. So, if you want to ensure the safety of your eyes while witnessing a solar eclipse, or if you are looking for reliable eye protection for welding, these Goggles Eclipse glasses are the perfect choice for you. And the best part is, you can also use them as a fashion statement for years to come. I highly recommend checking out the link in the description to get your hands on a pair of these incredible eclipse spectacles. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing product reviews and recommendations.